Let me tell you something most traders never realize until it's too late. The number one reason traders blow their accounts is not because they don't know the charts, not because their strategy is bad, and not even because the market is too difficult to predict. It's something far more dangerous, far more silent, and it destroys traders from the inside out before they even know what's happening. The real killer of trading accounts is a lack of discipline. Now, I know that sounds simple. Maybe you're thinking, I've heard this before, discipline is important. Yeah. But here's the thing. Knowing that discipline is important and actually having it when it matters are two very different things. Think about it. You can have the most accurate strategy in the world, you can memorize every technical pattern, you can follow the news religiously, but if you can't control yourself in the heat of the moment, you will lose. Discipline is what keeps you from hitting that buy or sell button just because you're bored. It's what stops you from revenge trading after a loss. It's what makes you walk away from the screen when the setup doesn't match your plan. But here's the catch. When the market starts moving and emotions take over, most traders throw discipline out the window. Greed whispers, just take one more trade. Fear says, hold it a little longer, maybe it will come back. And right there, in those tiny moments, your account begins to bleed. I've seen this play out again and again. A trader starts the day calm with a solid plan. They say, I'll only take 2 trades today, both following my rules. The first trade is a loss. No big deal, it's part of the plan. But that little voice starts to grow. You can make it back on the next one. They take another trade, it loses. Now they're angry. They increase the lot size to get back what they lost. And just like that, one bad day turns into a blown account. The problem isn't the market. The market is doing what it always does, moving up, down, sideways. The problem is you, the trader, not being able to stay in control when your emotions are screaming at you. And this is why trading is more of a mental game than a technical one. The charts don't blow your account. You do when you can't stick to your own rules. Now let's be real, discipline in trading is not sexy. People want to hear about the magic indicator, the secret pattern, the one trick that wins every time. But the truth is, no matter what strategy you use, if you can't follow it with discipline, it's useless. Think about a professional athlete. They don't win just because they know how to play. They win because they can repeat the right moves over and over again under pressure. Trading is the same. It's about performing when the market is throwing curveballs at you. So how do you actually build discipline? It starts with rules, clear, simple, and written down. Not in your head. On paper, in your journal, stuck to your wall, wherever you can see them. Then you commit to following those rules for a set period of time, no matter what. Here's a tip most traders never try: trade smaller for a while. Why? Because when the money on the line is smaller, it's easier to focus on following your process instead of chasing profits. This is how you train your brain to value discipline over excitement. Another powerful method is keeping a trading journal. After every trade, write down why you took it, how you felt, and whether you followed your rules. Do this for a month and you'll start to see patterns in your own behavior. You'll catch yourself breaking rules before it becomes a habit. Discipline is not something you switch on when you feel like it. It's a muscle. And like any muscle, it gets stronger the more you use it.so. If you want to survive and actually grow in this game, stop obsessing over finding the perfect strategy and start building the perfect discipline. Because the market will test you, tempt you, and try to break you every single day. And the traders who win long-term aren't the smartest, they're the ones who can control themselves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with a fellow trader who needs to hear this, and subscribe so you never miss another tip that could save your trading account. And in the next video, I'm going to break down exactly how to build the kind of discipline that makes you unstoppable in the markets. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one.